What's up, what's down, what's all around? Hey, what's up you guys, welcome back to another Jamie Oliver Convlog kitchen episode. Today we are sponsored by Jamie Oliver Olive Oil. You could even say Jamie Oliver Oil. And also I'm coming out with some women's weekly cookbooks. You can be able to buy this $10 on your local Amazon, eBay, whatever the fuck you want. So today we're going to be making some meatballs. Now, you know what? Dimitri, come with me.
Where are we going?
Come on.
Okay. What, so we're just leaving?
Yeah, come on, Dimitri, come on.
Okay. Alright.
We're going straight to the source, Dimitri. Straight to the source. Okay. Let's go.
Are we meeting Jamie again?
Dimitri, we already met Jamie 10 billion times. We are gonna do something new, something original, something different. It's gonna be A-OK. We're close to our destination. We're almost here. Dimitri, we're here. We've arrived. So here. Dimitri, we have attained them. We're going to take this home. I'm going to show you how to prepare it the proper way. Into the container we go. Bish, bash, wash, boom. Just scoop it in there. This is what home cooking is all about. Seal it with the lid. We have secured the goods. We're gonna ramp this mother up. It's gonna be so much better after I'm done with it with my Jamie Oliver cooking tips. We're home. It's time to get cooking. Yo, Dimitri, what the fuck is that? Yo. Where the fuck did it go? Yo.
What's what, man? There's nothing there.
What? It's fine. Alright, we're back. Now, tip to bring your meatballs to the extreme. You're gonna take this off, okay? Get your tongs, tactically extract one of these bad boys. Place it on your serving dish, set this aside. Now, get your Jamie's extra virgin olive oil. And we're just a light drizzle, okay? It's just gonna make it taste better, okay? Light drizzle. Tap back on. Now, dig into your supper. Oh, so much better. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, share, Patreon. As you already know, we have a Kickstarter. Just 10 million subs. And I'd like to thank my sponsors again. This video wouldn't be possible without them. Jamie Oliver's Olive Oil. And don't forget to check out my women's weekly books. I just got them published. And thanks for watching. See you next time.